My name is Bob Lombardo. We live here in Laguna Niguel, California. Originally from the East Coast, been out here about 30 some years. So we had purchased this property about 25 years ago. We had put in the pool and landscaping, and after about 20 some years it started to deteriorate, and we decided it was time to add another layer. And at that point, we wanted to add a seating area, which we didn't have before. So once we were able to redo the surfaces, we decided a seating area with a covered trellis was something that was on our list. And after some research and mishaps with other companies, we found luxury pergolas, and we're thrilled with how things went. We wanted something that had a cover and some flexibility, still allowing the light. And so the louvered aspect to it was a key piece. We wanted something that was durable and low maintenance. The look, the texture really fit in with our theme. So the buying process was online. We were able to kind of plug in all the information that we were looking for. We had options to choose sizes, colors, cornices. Once you clicked in all the components, and we got a proposal. Someone had reached out to us via email and then followed up with a phone call. It was easy. In a short time later, the pre-labeled boxes came numbered with instructions, with all the tools, and in addition, videos were available to assist with instructions or installation. We absolutely love the luxury pergola. Being in Southern California, everyone's outside, and again, the big thing we were missing on our previous remodel, we didn't have good seating area. So now we're out here, especially in the summertime, probably 3 to 5 times a week. Even in the winter time in Southern California, which is pretty mild, we're out here once a week or once every other week. Favorite part about the luxury pergola is just the clean lines and the durability of it. We're not hearing creaks and wind noise. It's just solid, and we just focus on entertaining guests. The backyard experience is completely changed now that we have a formal seating area. We have a large family, extended family, and so gatherings of 20 to 40 are on a regular basis. And now this gave us that option to extend that maybe when the weather isn't quite so great. The louvers are able to close, trap the heat in, and you feel like you're indoors but have all the fresh air around you. Being made in America was definitely something that we wanted to find, and unfortunately there weren't a lot of those options. And not only are we pleased with that, the quality is definitely there, and it shows. The strength and durability of the product is very key. Fortunately, we don't have any concerns with snow loads, although occasionally we'll get some fairly windy days, and so I didn't want to have to worry about running out to the backyard and secure or tie down or shovel something off. So the durability and the thickness of the aluminum was really important. So my background is in construction and development, and one of the things that I felt incredibly impressed with was the quality of the product, the instructions of the product, the details, how things were sent out, screws that had the rubber washers already preset. I would say it's probably one of the best experiences I've had assembling any type of furniture or structure. And so the luxury pergola is definitely one of the top products I've experienced. The only thing I want to add is just I really don't do these kind of things, to be honest with you, and I wanted to be a part of promoting a quality company, quality people that were there and stood behind their product. And we're enjoying it. We hope many others can enjoy it, and any questions, love to answer them.